see how I minded my business?
Oh no, I'm bad. Okay, do it again. Nice, dude. Easy.
I'm joking! Stop! 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 Stop the brake! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Just the Brook Police. I'd like to file a claim. Oh, I'm gonna hate this game, aren't I? Offensive stance. Do your emo. Yeah, there you go. Oh God! Stop it! I hate you. This be my bridge.
Bruh. Do it! Do it!
Come on, kill me! I'm here! Come on!
This be my bridge, brother. Stun taps, memory. I hate Highlanders so much. Cause like, if they're gods at dodging and like blocking everything, every light you try to throw out, what can you do? You literally cannot do nothing. Oh damn it! No! Help! Help me, God! I can't stand Highlanding. Oh, that's an agree. And I see you are parrying Jesus, but you threw out the worst attack in the game. Nice. You're just asking to be game ended.
Oh no.
Jeez, that's tough. Imagine if it was like your emblem on this flag instead of the healing thing. So like mine would be the YouTube thing. So his would be his little ram. Oh, I've seen this dude before.
Boy, if you don't...
I have hyper armor as well, gamer.
Fuck!
Nope. Should have parried it. Should have fainted. I pressed E, but I was too late.
Fuck! 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 Fuck!
There we go. Did you just get out of here? And he's gone.
You just fell for the trap. Trap. You just fell for the trap. I refuse to play.
And the Shaolin's gone. He just teleports away, dude. Water is cold, dude.